What is Wise Money Transfer and why millions ditch their banks for it? So the first all I use mostly is my local banks, and mostly I put money there and then use it. But now I'm using Wise. So here is why. After a years of using Wise, here's why. So the international bank transfer used to mean high fees, and it also has low processings and exchange rates that quite cost you more money. That's exactly the problem Wise has built to solve. In this guide, you'll learn what Wise money transfer is and how it works, and why millions of people now use instead of any traditional bank. Because of course, we're gonna start off is what is this? What am I? What are you looking at, guys? So you're looking at is an international money transfer platform that allows individuals and businesses to send, receive, hold, and convert money in multiple currencies. So this is not a bank. It's more like a money transfer tool, but it can also hold your money right here. So why people switch from banks to Wise? Because of course the transparent fee. Many banks charge transfer fee and also add hidden markups to exchange rates. Wise separates the two. Real mid-market exchange rate clearly display transfer fees and no hidden currency markup. So it is very faster international transfers. Wise use local banking network instead of relying too solely on traditional international wire system. And it has multiple currency accounts. As you can see, mine has PHP and USD. So with a Wise account, you can hold multiple currencies, convert money when needed, send payment internationally. This makes Wise especially popular among freelancers, remote workers, digital nomads, international students, and also online businesses. Better because it also have better exchange rate and easy mobile experience. It's very easy, as you can see when you go back. It's very easy. There's send money, and if right here you can just convert right there. um, Store your balance on the top, as you can see, and you can also hide it if you want to. There you go, store balance and manage receipts. No branch visit required. So yeah, there you go. So overall, Wise is a very good app. So if you're asking, is Wise a bank? No, Wise is not a bank. Wise is just a regulated financial technology company and money transfer provider rather than a traditional bank. So customer funds are safeguarded under financial regulations, but Wise structures differs from ordinary banks. So if you're asking if there's any downside, if it has some users experience, but not all, but some very few amount of people. I've seen the review. They say there's a verification delay, some additional documents requested, transfer fee times that vary depending on the route, fees that differ by currency and payment method. But for most users, however, the overall cost is still lower than using many traditional banks. So my final opinion about this is lower. It has a lower cost. It has a real exchange rate, and it's faster transfer and multiple currency support and transparent pricing. So yeah, there you guys. That is my point of view of this right here. Why people ditch their banks for Wise. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, concerns, start the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.